Welcome to week 11. This assignment is very similar to the one you did last week, except last week was based on quantitative studies, and this week you're going to be finding a qualitative study. There are a couple of different kinds of qualitative studies that you can choose from, and when you do your search, I understand that some topics there aren't as many qualitative studies present, but there's different ways you can increase the chances of finding one in your search. That includes even possibly typing in some of the types, not all at once, because none of the studies are going to meet every type of qualitative study at the same time, but try those. So for example, see if any of the studies have words like grounded theory in them or ethnography, other types of qualitative studies. So you're going to find a primary qualitative study, again, kind of like last week, not a literature review or anything like that. You're going to make sure you read the entire article, and much of this grid looks very similar to the last week, except not everything from quantitative is applicable to qualitative. So, your APA reference needs to be at the top, the purpose and research question of the study, not your personal PICO question, the research design, so was it grounded theory, was it ethnography, that type of thing, the sample, the setting, human rights protection, results, implications in nursing, the strengths, the weaknesses, and the summary statement. So again, how does that actually influence practice? You'll notice there are a few parts that were in last week's assignment that aren't on this one. Independent and dependent variables are not present on this list, as well as statistical tests, as statistical tests aren't used in qualitative. So it kind of balances out, although the grid is a little shorter. Sometimes finding a qualitative article on your topic or that's related to your topic, even if it's not 100% overlap, can sometimes take just a little bit more time. So if you have any questions, please let us know.